So guys, so today we got a little surprise for the smokey. We got shackles for it. So yeah, let me show you the box.
Jack sauce in the cut.
Jack sauce in the cut.
Mine in the cut.
Let me show you. Wait, let me see. Let's see. Wave check.
I barely started, so.
No traes nada.
Hey, Brian. Oh shit.
Oh, whoa. Oh, okay.
Brian in the cut.
Hey,
Brian in the cut.
say something to the vlog.
Mira, el cut, Brian. Say something to the vlog, cut.
Why are you shaking?
Cause it's cold. ¿Qué haciendo cut? Dile algo al vlog.
Que se le lave.
Oh, beep.
No, that is a better word.
Okay. All right, guys. So let's resume. All right, guys. So we got some shackles the other day. The box ripped because it was raining the other day, so it was in the back of my bed. But yeah, basically it's just some lowering shackles, 1 to 2 inches. So today, that's the plan. I want to get rid of this gap that it has. Probably get it close to the wheel because I got some other things coming up that y'all gonna like. So hopefully y'all like. Who knows if y'all like it or not.
Like it?
Like a chicken. But without further ado, let's get to it.
Bottom screw off.
The
Right
bottom
there.
screw.
Then we got the top one loose. Took the nut off. But we gotta do the other side so we can jack it up.
We do have it on jack stands because if we just have it from the dip, it would pretty much fall. So there's jack stands on the frame, the bottom. We're just gonna take off the bolts from the other side. We're gonna jack it up. It's pretty much take off and put on. And I'm gonna give you a little view of how it looks after.
So we'll be back. So.
I love you. I got the oh, la virga.
I got the
Record one.
Hey, pasa la lámpara, cuz.
Hey, wait, no mames. Am I bleeding?
Yeah, a little bit.
Nah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little blood, sweat, and tears going into the truck, guys. My bad.
Don't hit you, don't forget though.
Ahora, espérate. Hold on.
That didn't look too fun.
What I gotta do is.
You need to go way up there, way, para que salga el tornillo arriba.
¡Ole para arriba acá! ¡Ponte acá!
Ya. Espérate, pero tenemos que chispar al otro lado también.
Chispale el otro. Echar un sabelazo.
Echar un salivazo para acá.
Hey, that's all you need is big boy power.
Anybody got big boy power when they put that?
Power.
¿Ya está bien?
Ya, dale.
Alright, cool. So, it should be good right there.
That's
No?
good, yeah. A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Alright.
Tiny shit.
Ah! What'd you say? A tiny shit.
Tiny shit. Sácalo.
Make it other side.
Aguas, que se va a caer. Eso.
That's nice.
Será?
I was about to say something, but
What, nigga?
Por fin haces algo.
Shut up.
De la chingada. Something. Oh, cabrón.
It's something you will never see Martin do.
Oh, see. I swap up a whole motor, nigga, in one day.
Oh, I want to see that happen, bro.
What about LT? Dale más por arriba.
También un LT en la verga, le meto mis outs. Nah, yo no sé ni verga. I'm learning on the way.
That is so tiny.
You got him done. All right.
Damn,
boy. Así?
I hope so. Yeah, they go like this. What? You know, they go like this. Cause.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Positive?
Positive. Nah.
Yeah, pack, I'm gonna chinguiza el pack. The bitch finna be low.
Nah, not that low.
It's finna be stupid low.
Nah.
Don't be getting their hopes up.
No diga nada, no diga nada. Míralo, míralo, de volada. Mira este chango.
¿Qué andas haciendo,
Es un pinche chango, la verga.
You're putting it on the last setting, right?
Hold on, the last setting's on the top, right?
Yeah.
Right, Jair? You
Oh, fuck!
Jair,
What happened?
Why you pushing? Oh.
My mic hurts.
Why are you pushing it with your feet?
Es que lo ocupo hasta arriba para que entre el pinche tornillo.
Okay, so you want me to go up?
No, ahí está.
Jair está perreo. He uses all his
body parts.
all these body parts. Hey, wait. Never mind.
You going?
Yeah, no, not yet. Ahí toca.
Dale. Un poquito más.
Oh, fuck. Dale.
You got it?
No.
Ay.
Oh, a little bit more.
No, ahora.
Let Jason put his. Ahí está. Ahí está.
¿Entra así o por acá?
Por acá.
You hear that?
There's the camera. They're probably there.
Eso, otro.
Vamos con la frente.
No, eso es otro caso. ¿Le doy yo? O dale con el tubo. Tubo. No. Dale. So. 3 is the charm. 4. Go.
Hey, Pops. No había pensado esto, pero this leaf spring ya está pegando el cow track.
Is it?
Yeah. It's on the cow track already. I remember that in the video they had Carlos way. They were putting on some these, and I think estaba pegando en este, que they were struggling to put them on.
Struggling to put these on?
The cow tracks, porque pegaron aquí.
Está bien, I'll take them off.
Oh no, pero
They were
yeah,
trying
pero yeah, they had to drop the truck down to be able to make it work.
But it works.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean,
Preocupando pack, nigga.
No, you.
Otro.
We're gonna have to see ahorita que you drop the truck.
Alright, Jason's just putting on the wheel on this side.
I see a difference already.
You want it? Alright, so let's go, Martin. Let's put it on this side.
Oh, le están echando luz.
Oh.
Will we take this one?
Huh? We just wait for him to finish. It's cool. Ah, test out the tools, you know.
Hey, nigga, that shit sounds badass.
Otro.
You think that's enough?
Yeah,
You think so?
it should be.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, nigga, it's still
Alright, guys. We're about to drop it. And see how it looks.
Hold on, that's the last setting?
Yeah.
Oh, I look good.
Oh, you good, boy? Oh,
Oh, fuck.
no, you still good.
Good, dog.
But if I was you, I'd fender roll it.
Oh, you bought him out, way. Ow! Ow! Look at it. Ow!
A ver, dale.
Good?
Hold on.
Is he bothering him out, way?
Wait, what am I hitting, right? Hold on, let me see.
A ver, dale.
Dale, go. Dale.
Es acá.
Where?
Something over here.
Is he bothering him out? How's the C-notch?
No, the C-notch is good, man.
Allá tampoco no es el shackle.
And it's not on top of the bed either.
And it's probably... Check the
like-
diff.
It's like Jair's.
No, it isn't the diff either.
Fuck is it?
Güey, no le hagas tanto, güey. Allá está la computer arriba de la troca.
Oh, shit.
Damn. You took in thread.
¿Le doy?
No, más o menos chica.
No, I'm gonna go slowly.
Dale.
Te va. ¿No serán tus traction bar?
Or it could be the shocks.
No, güey, pero te acuerdas también.
Hold on.
Slowly, sí, así también, güey.
Ahí te va a agarrar la nuca tú.
Dale.
Míralo.
I think son
look
unos
this
shocks,
nigga.
güey. Son
Look
unos
at
shocks.
this nigga.
Ya, man, ya.
Me está agarrando el cuello.
I think it's son unos shocks.
Damn, dog, but this bitch look clean.
The whole plane.
Let's see.
You squatted.
Am I squatting
Hell yeah, you are.
Oh!
Sick.
Magic.
What's going on, guys? So we put up to Jay Sauce's house, and we're here with Big Boy Martin, and this is the 6-0. So we got the new owner right here. Yeah, the new owner of the 6-0. What do you gotta say, Jay Sauce? How you feel? How you feel, dog?
I still feel like I'm flying.
Sucks, man. It sucks.
We're back. The smokey is done. She's sitting cleaner now. I feel myself that she's just cleaner now. Let me know what y'all think.
Just imagine if the bed was alive.
It's hooking. Took a thread. What do y'all think, guys? Hey, what y'all think? Clean? What you think, Mark? A1? Alright, guys, so there y'all have it. Smokey gets 2-inch drop shackles. So this is gonna be all for this video. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget it. What is going on, guys? So I'm sorry about taking long on this video. So I know a lot of you have been wanting to see another video, and I've just been busy with school. I got late grades, but I'm still in school. But with school, work, and what I'm about to show y'all is what's gonna happen in the next video. And I've been working on this on my time off, so I haven't been working on editing, and editing takes time. But yeah, guys, I'm just sorry about everything and not uploading content like soon, but we're gonna get back on the grind. Don't worry. But let me show y'all what's going on with the Smokey right now. Y'all gonna be like, damn, dude, what's wrong with that? All right, so check it out, guys. Yeah, this is the inside of the Smokey right now. So I did swap out my whole harness. The old one is over here, right there. I even got a new BCM. You can see the BCM right there. Everything's new. New BCM, new harness, everything new. Yeah, guys, well, this is what's going on. But this harness is for electric windows. So I already have the panels, but I'm gonna put in the dash first before I start working out here. I don't want to have too much mess. But yeah, guys, so it's gonna be electric windows now. My key is still not starting. I already contacted someone to see if they can work that out, but that's it, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in and staying tuned with the build. So I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure y'all stay tuned for what's gonna happen with the Smokey. And yeah, guys, let's continue. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get a 300. I know we're close, so let's get a 300, guys. We can do it. If y'all can do it by, let's see, by whenever this video goes up, I'll give it a month. If it gets to, if my channel gets to 300 subscribers, I'll do something special, a giveaway. I'll give away something, but I'm gonna say what it is right now. So let's get it, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching, and this is it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget it. Send it back.